Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Hades game crashing, not launching, not loading, stuck on black screen, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the start icon over here, and after that click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system. After your PC restarts, now check if the error is fixed. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Right click on the game, now click on properties, then click on install files, and here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now check if you can play the game. If not, next is to update graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now go below expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your drivers to the latest version. Once done, now check if the issue is fixed. Nvidia and AMD users, just go through the link that I have already given in the description and update your graphics card from there, and then try to play the game. Next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. So after this, go to the game application, select it, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility, then select run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply and OK. Once done, check if the problem is fixed. If not, click on disable full screen optimizations, and then click on apply and OK, and then check if it resolves the problem. If not, click on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or select Windows 7, and after that click on apply and OK, and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you need to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and see if it resolves the issue. If not, then type -dx12 and then try to play the game and see if this helps to fix the problem. If not, next solution is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. After that, click on firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall. Next, click on change settings. After this, check if your game is listed over here. If not, click on allow another app, then click on browse, then go to the game folder where it has been installed, select your game and click on it to add to the list. After adding it, select private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After doing this, now check if the issue is fixed. Next solution is to disable in-game overlay. For that, Steam users, you need to go to Steam. Now click on Steam option over here, then click on settings. After that, click on in-game, and here if this option is enabled, you simply need to click on it to disable it, and after that try to play the game and see if it helps. For GeForce experience, open GeForce. Now click on the gear icon beside username, then click on general. Here switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, then click on game overlay tab, and here switch off enable in-game overlay option. After this, check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates option. Now this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you need to click on check for updates, and if there is any update available, it will check, and after updating your Windows, now check if the issue is fixed. Next solution is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having any antivirus program installed on your system, you are suggested to disable it and then try to launch the game. Somewhere the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play it, so it's suggested to disable the antivirus program and then play the game without any further problem. Next solution is to check graphics settings. So when your graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So you are suggested to check the graphics settings in the game and try to make it lower to avoid the unwanted issues. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, first go to the link that I have already provided in the description, just copy it and paste in your browser. After that, download and install Visual C++ files. Once done, restart your PC and log into the game and then check if the issue is resolved. So go to the browser, the website will open, Go below, and from here you need to download the Visual C++ files. Once downloaded, install it. After installing, restart your PC. Once after restarting, again log into the game and then check if you can play it without any further problem. If not, the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So after this, your game will be removed from your PC. Once done, now restart your system. Once after restarting, launch Steam and reinstall Hades game once again. After this, try to click on the play button and then check if you can play it without any further problem. So these are few suggested solutions that will surely help to fix Hades game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.